What's up, everybody? Welcome to the underground, aka my garage. It's a very hot day today. You can hear the rattle can I got in my hand. I'm doing something with paint. What might I be doing with paint? Well, that's an OEM Canadian, not that it matters. Supra Carpet. They are very expensive. They range from 500 US to about 1,000 US. And I found this one used, obviously, off Kijiji in Ontario for 400 bucks Canadian. So that's like 275 US, roughly, with shipping. So I jumped on it. I wasn't really prepared, or I didn't care rather, what condition it is, because the alternative is a stockpile, which is a really crappy carpet. It's not molded really. It's very stringy, it ages, and that's what's in there right now. I actually have my factory carpet in here, which is the same color, but what they did is they glued the stockpile over it. So my factory carpet is kind of crappy. So I needed to do something, and I wasn't gonna buy the crappy stockpile stuff. So this is an OEM carpet. Obviously, as you can see, has all the OEM mounts on it. It's fairly dirty, but if you recall, I did a video with the MR2. We used the Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint, and it took the interior from a red to a really nice black. And it actually says it works better on light colors. So I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna show you how it turns out. I only have one can. I don't know what was in me when I bought one can, but looking at that, it's probably gonna take a couple at least. So stay tuned. All right, so here's the factory carpet. It's actually in really good shape, minus the minor stains. The passenger side is really good. Driver's side is a little stainier, if you will. So I was gonna clean it and put it in as is, but I decided it would be better just to paint it black, as the Rolling Stones say it best. Yeah, and it has factory detoning everywhere in the right spots. The only thing I don't like about this carpet is that some of the staples are really rusted. So I don't know why. It doesn't look like there's water damage anywhere. I just washed it, that's why it dripped, but it might just be age. And if the guy used or drove his car in the rain, I mean, it could get moist in there. It's not like they are rusted, but they're not like rusted totally through. So let's begin. All right, guys, I'm done one side. The can is pretty much done. So there's the factory, and ta-da! It looks so good. The paint is specifically for fabric and vinyl, so I imagine it'll go on here okay too. I'm not sure yet, but it is still carpet. It's not sticky paint. It is the exact same feel as that. It's exact. I am totally impressed with this product. It looks like a factory brand new black carpet. I know nothing beats factory OEM, but hey, I'm not spending $1,500 US on a brand new carpet when this will do the trick. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the product. No one would ever know the difference if I didn't tell them. So I will, I'm gonna fill in a little bit on the back. Then I'm gonna go grab one more can in the Z and do the other side. All right, so I just did a trip to Canadian Tire, which is our automotive equivalent in the States. I'm just looking here and it says, so this is what I'm buying. It's like 17 bucks a can. Canadian, 16 bucks. And it says it covers 12 to 14 square feet. I think that's shit. Just because I did this one side and I did a pretty good job on it. So I'm gonna do the next side with another can, and then I bought another can just to go over everything. So it's gonna take about 3 cans, I think. So I bought the carpet for 400, 30 bucks shipping, 35, and then 50 bucks for all this. So under 500 bucks, I'm gonna have a brand new looking Toyota factory carpet that's gonna be painted black, but it's gonna look no different, I promise you. The only reason I trusted it is because, like I said, we did it on Steven's MR2 and it came out bang on. It was beautiful. It went from red to black and it's seamless. So if you're in a rut, you want a black carpet or a different color carpet, pick up some of this stuff, Duplicolor vinyl and fabric. All right, so 2 cans are gone. And so far, it has turned out beautifully. It literally looks like an OEM carpet. I am gonna go over the whole thing again with another can. It's pretty good, but in the middle I can see it's lighter in areas than darker, just a bit. And it's only when the sun hits it, so you won't really notice it in the car. But the material of the carpet still feels the same. It doesn't feel like a crispy, like how it does if you spill something on it. It still feels like a nice carpet. So like I said, we did this on the MR2 and it turned out great. So I did it on the Supra carpet that I bought because I refused to pay $1,500 US and give in to these people trying to make a quick buck off of other Supra owners. So there's the carpet. It looks really good, really good. It worked very good on the vinyl. I'm gonna give it another coat on the vinyl, give it a coat in the middle, on the back there. This side's good, and go from there. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you ever so chose to do this, I'd say on any car you're gonna need 3 of these at least. If you're trying to make a quick flip, there's a big stain on the carpet, you want to do the whole thing black, you can get away with 2, but definitely 3 if you want it to be nice and last long. So here is my creation, and it looks amazing. This side looks really good because I did more than this side's coats because I wanted to make sure that the vinyl got it good. So this side looks like perfect. This side I definitely need a coat on the back and just a bit in the middle here, and then it'll look flawless. I'm super stoked because it turned out awesome. So as always, hope you liked the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Peace.